how to get an auto clicker on Mac. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you have to visit the website. Once you visit the website, follow these steps. Click on the auto click option, then on download. This will lead you to a GitHub website. Scroll down and select the appropriate link based on your Mac version. If you have the newest version of Mac, click on the link for latest version. If you have an older version, click on the link for older versions. If it doesn't work, you can restart your Mac and try again. Now I have the newest version, so I'm going to click this one. As you can see, it has been downloaded. I will move it to the desktop. Now let's proceed with the installation process. Click on the downloaded file to open it. When you open it for the first time, it will ask for permission, just allow it. Here you can set your mouse button. I will leave this by default. The setting is 15 clicks per second. Also, there's a basic and advanced option. I will just use the basics. Click start. As you can see, it's working. To check this, I will go to this website called CPS test. Here you can see the time, clicks and score. I will open the application and click on start. Then I will move the cursor to this box test. To stop the auto click, the Fn key on your keyboard will pause the clicking. As you can see, in 5 seconds we made 75 clicks because we set it to 15 clicks per second. So that's it. So that's basically how you can get an auto clicker on Mac. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.